Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm excited to open this one. This will be my first experience with this artist, and I love this artist, okay? So I'm excited to open this one and see it. Just so you know, when you order from Craftibly, if you get more than one, they come in a nice box. I think they all come in a nice box, an outer box. But then they come wrapped in this plastic to protect your tube. Here's the nice tube everybody's talking about. Yep, so many uses for the tube. Can you hear the ducks? They're right out here. We got the window open today. It's a nice day. So many uses for the tube. Just store this painting in it or store other paintings in it. Somebody suggested if you get a lot of tubes that you don't think you need, you could maybe donate them to like college for art students or whatever. There's just lots of things you can do with the tube, okay? Branded with Craftibly, and then here's the tag on the end, and I'll show you what it is just to look at. It's a light after the storm. It's a Jody Bergsma. I love Jody Bergsma's art. Oh my gosh. And you guys, you probably don't even realize how much Jody Bergsma is out there in the diamond painting world, unlicensed places. You don't even know it's her work, probably. But I am so excited they have some Jody Bergsmas. And I think they're getting a few more. Shh, don't tell them I told you. Okay, all right, we're gonna open this. I will tell you this, as an affiliate, I just got an affiliate, some information. And you guys, if you think you love Craftibly now, just wait, just wait. They are always thinking ahead, thinking of new things, thinking of ways to grow and improve and new things, and just wait. All I'm going to say, just wait. I can't say anything right now, but just wait. They do have a small order already placed for some restocks and a couple of new things. Just, you guys. All right. Okay. So I love being an affiliate for them. They are awesome. Things are amazing. They're always, like I said, they're always looking ahead, thinking what they can do that's bigger, better. You guys, all right. So here's the toolkit. The toolkit's always fun now because it has goodies in it, and you like to see what your goodies are because it's different in every one. The nice like silky burlap type bag. Here's the basic toolkit that comes in every painting. You get a couple of multi-placers in there, plus one on your pen, right? So you got a couple 4 places, maybe a 5 or a 7, whatever that is. A boat, wax, squishy, and tweezers. They all come with tweezers. Rounds, squares, doesn't matter. They all have tweezers. Branded, Craftibly. So that is your basic toolkit you'll need to actually complete the diamond painting. The rest of the stuff is just the fun extra stuff, in my opinion. And I love to see the fun goodies. I think, oh my gosh, really? I think this is gonna be perfect, you guys. All right, you get 2 pots of Craftibly wax with their name on it. See, got their name. You get 2 washi tapes. These are random washi tapes. They just kind of pick a couple, put them in there for you. These are both geometric, some circles and some, we'll call those parallelograms. They're squares. Okay, all right. Anyhow, not parallelogram. I don't know. Well, just ignore what I just said. Just ignore that. Okay. And my cover minder, and I'm so excited for this one. I'm so excited. I don't have one of these. Look at it. Look at it. This is so perfect for this painting. Seriously. You already know it's a lighthouse painting, and I have a shell. Totally random, but isn't that like karma right there, right? Perfect. I get a shell to go with my lighthouse. That's so nice. Nice big strong magnets on the back. I love it. It's all glistening and stuff. I'm happy. Yay. That's perfect. I did not have a shell, and what better painting to get a shell with, right? All right. I believe there's some changes coming even with this. I don't think I'm at liberty to say yet, but just, well, you know, they're working. They're just doing stuff. You guys are doing stuff. here is all of the information about the 4.0 kits. They do have 3.0 kits left. They're not all 4.0 on the website, you guys. Only the most recent order is 4.0. So some of those might still come in a white tube, that kind of thing, if you're getting an older kit that's a 3.0. They're still fantastic, don't get me wrong. The Christmas painting I'm working on right now is a 3.0, and it's lovely. It's great. Just, okay. Here's their sticker sheet with all the labels. And the name of the painting is at the bottom. Measurements are at the bottom. 44 colors. And it has one AB. He has one AB. Aw. Anyhow, I'm happy with one AB. We're good with that. Is it square? Is it square? Is it square? It is square. Okay. Here's the little info sheet you can use wherever you want. It's a square. There's the measurements, 20 by 28, start and finish date. All right. I love these. These are very nice and handy. I love that the stickers peel off individually. You can put them on, I just put them on the bags. I don't even kit Craftibly up anymore in containers. I just put them in a storage thing and put the labels on the bags, and I'm ready to go. All right. While I'm unbagging, this might be a good time for me to mention that, yes, I'm an affiliate, if you guys don't know that yet. I do have a code, Mindy15. Orders of $50 or more, that'll save you a little bit of money. All right. I do not mind this tape. I really don't. I have had a couple people comment they don't like it because it did something to the back of their canvas. Well, it's never done anything to my canvas. I mean, look, it's not doing anything to that. Can you see that? It's not harming it in any way. And I mean, it's just holding things together. So that's a personal preference. It's not hurting it one way or another. This one, they left the tube long enough. It didn't squish my end. Yay. So, I mean, talking with a friend, we think, that's all done at the factory. They put the painting in, they put the toolkit in, the tube. They're the ones that adjust it. And we're certain that they're probably trying to just make the tube as small as possible for shipping purposes. But still, I mean, it doesn't hurt the canvas, but just make the tube long enough so everything fits in without squishing anything. That's easy to fix. Soft felt back. Okay, very nice. Serged and scalloped edges on there. That's awesome too. All right, I am so excited to see this. My first Jody Bergsma. If you have not looked at Jody Bergsma's art, just go look her up. Just Google her and look her up and see all of the beautiful stuff that she does. I hope, I'm crossing my fingers that they have like a long-standing relationship with her and they can continue to get more and more of her artwork because it is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Here's our drills. Now look at, good morning, Chuck. It's a very muted color palette. Okay, not a lot of bright colors here, and that's what I expected here. Jody Bergsma's work is not bright, bold. It's not that kind of art, okay? It has color, don't get me wrong, there's color, but it's just a little more subdued color. Boy, he's gonna just make himself known, isn't he? There's their name at the top, the canvas sparkles. See the sparkle? See the sparkle through there? You probably won't see it when the drills are on because they're square. It's going to cover up the canvas, but look at that. Very nice. Got the symbols. Clear, 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 clear. Very nice. All right, I've got to see it. You guys have got to see it. I've been so excited to see this one. This is one of the first images I think Michael shared with me for the new order. And when he said that, we were talking about Jody Bergsma. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. At some point, somewhere, Michael made like a moving kind of image of this painting, which was really cool. I don't even know where it is. If he put it on their website or just sent it, I don't know where it's at. If I knew, I'd share it with you guys because it was pretty cool. Her hair kind of blew in the breeze. It was pretty awesome. But you know me and lighthouses, right? I love my lighthouses. And here's this girl just walking out to the lighthouse, the keeper's cottage down here, the lighthouse with the beacon up at the top. And you can tell it's been stormy. That's why it's called a light after the storm, right? The seagrasses over here and stuff like that. And she's walking up the path. I adore it. See what I mean? The colors are kind of muted colors. But her artwork is so fantastic. I just love it. A legend over here, 44 colors. A legend over here with the picture. And down here is all of your details. Light After the Storm by Jody Bergsma. Please, please, please keep getting more Jody Bergsma. I absolutely adore her work. I recently sent her a message just saying that. I love your artwork. I'm thrilled that you're with Craftibly. I can hardly wait to get my first diamond painting from you. And she responded. She was very, very nice, you guys. Very, very nice. She's like, I'm so excited. I can hardly wait. Let me know what you think when you get it. Nice and sticky. And I like that they have a thicker plastic. Their plastic is thicker. It doesn't tear easily. Some of the thin ones tear and they can get stuck on there. And I like this. I like this size. It's a nice size. I really appreciate that. I love it. 20 by 28 inch. Craftibly is selling frames. I might have to buy a frame. I don't know if there's a frame for this size. I think they only have one size right now. I'm going to check that out. See if their frames would fit this one. I don't know. But let's look at the drills. Let's look at the drills. I'm guessing that our 1AB is going to be like white. If I have to guess, I'm going to guess white. I haven't seen it yet, but that's my guess, is white. All right. If it's white, which is the O, it's all over the place, you guys. I'm hoping that's what it is. All right, let's look at colors. They are in here in order, in case you wanted to know that. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're in order. I always mess them up, but then I put them back. So squares look very, very nice. I will tell you right now, the one I'm working on, my Christmas painting for Christmas in July, the squares are perfect. They're lovely. I had one color that had some stuck drills. One color. And I'm like, well, you know. I think what happens, I don't know. I think the drills are not cooled enough. And then when they're cooling, they stick together. But the drills don't have a bunch of trash in them or anything like that. They're very nice. Look at the peaches. I'm really excited by the peach colors in it. It's gonna be, I'm assuming, a lot of grays and blues in here, right? There's some grays, gray and gray blue, right? Gray and gray blue, darker blue, another really pretty peach. So like I said, lots of blues and grays. And I think a lot of her paintings, you get that with maybe some touches of greens or pinks in them, but they're gorgeous. Look at those. They're just beautiful. Look, now those you'd think are almost the same color, but they're not. They're one shade off, which is going to give it some more dimension. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that sea foam. Sea foam green. Yeah. All right. We're rolling through here, guys. These are packed in here pretty tight. They're all kind of squished together, see? A yellow color, another green. Oh, that's a beautiful purple right there. And there's a lot of it. Yay, there's a lot of that purple. Gorgeous. More peaches. Oh my gosh, I can't be any happier. This is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. There's a couple more Jody Bergsmas, you guys, and I'm hoping to get those. I just don't know why I didn't get them all. Well, because I ordered, 9 paintings. Can't get them all. Oh, we have white in there. So this is our AB, which is white. And look at the bag. It's a nice, big, full bag of the white AB. Look at the pretty pinks and purples you can see in there. Can you see them? Can you see it looking pink and purple? Pink and purple? Pink and purple from the coating on there. Iridescent. That's beautiful. So it is everywhere. I've already kind of looked, and that white is all over the place. So it's just an O. It's an O. So you'll get a little bit here. It's just everywhere, you guys. Here, up here, and in her dress, like all these little folds on her dress. are the white AB. The fence over here, the outline of the keeper's cottage, the lighthouse keeper, white here, AB. Let's see, where else? Of course, we have some up the lighthouse, making this like glisten up here. And this whole side is highlighted with the white AB. So, I mean, it's really cool how, you know, they kind of took where the light might hit it, right? And this would get a little shine on this side, right? And then what about up in our clouds and things? Yes, outline here, here, here. I mean, it's like everywhere. A big swath of it right through here and up here. All of these rays coming out. Oh, yes, yes. All of the rays coming out of the lighthouse are the white AB. And then there's just more big swatches like through here and up through here. It's just, oh my gosh, isn't it gorgeous? Jody Bergsma, guys, Jody Bergsma. It's awesome. It's charted wonderfully. It's beautiful. Love it. Just love it. So there you have it. If I get a free moment in my life, I would love to work on this one. I'm working on the puppy, you know, but that's just in between other things I'm doing right now. But it's gorgeous. Nice job, you guys. Nice job. When Michael or Amy, both of them say that they've turned out awesome, the chartings are wonderful, they're right. They are right. I haven't seen one yet that I went, you know what I mean? Oh, goodness. Okay, if you've not checked out Craftibly, go. They are finishing up July's orders, ladies and gentlemen. And by the time you see this one, they might be done with all the July orders, which means now they're on to just current orders. You order and you'll get it, you know, within probably a week or so. So they're caught up pretty much on all of their ordering. Yay, right? Okay, I think I am done. I keep thinking there's something in here. There is a little piece of something on there, but I got to get it out of there. There's a little goober or something in there. I'll get in there and I'll get it out. So there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And check out Craftibly. They're awesome. All right, hit the like button, subscribe, come back, see more videos. If you're new here, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you consider coming back. All right, so until next time, now that it's quiet, the ducks have moved on and Chuck has stopped crowing. I'm gonna let you go. All right, I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.